Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the firearm is unloaded and pointed safely. Do that first. Once cleared, adopt a stable stance and consistent grip so your sight picture doesn't shift. Focus on the front sight, make it crisp inside the rear notch, because accuracy comes from the front sight alignment. Keep both eyes open if that's natural, but close the weaker eye if it helps. Make small, controlled movements. Don't rush the initial alignment, as that builds repeatable accuracy. Once your sights are aligned, control breathing and trigger to transfer alignment to the shot. Inhale, exhale, and gently pause on the natural respiratory pause. That minimizes movement. Press the trigger smooth and progressive, think pushing through without anticipating recoil, because jerks shift the front sight. After a dry fire or live shot, recheck the sight picture quickly. Make minute wrist or grip adjustments to retain the same sight picture. Practice slow repetitions to develop muscle memory and steadiness. Finish by assessing where rounds actually hit and decide if you need sight adjustment or a hold correction. If your shots are consistently off, low, high, left, or right, break down the variables: stance, grip, trigger pull, or incorrect sight picture. Make one change at a time and use slow, deliberate practice or dry firing to test it. If misalignment persists, check for sight damage or mounting issues. Otherwise, reinforce the correct technique with repetition until the sight picture produces consistent groupings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.